Hi, what's up guys? Jean here with some more Mars anomalies. Please excuse the voice. I do have flu and I've been battling to recover the past couple of days. But anyway, I couldn't resist guys. I'm back with another HiRISE photograph. NASA calls this Inca City monitoring of evolution. I think they're referring to the so-called spiders, and I know that they like to monitor these so-called spiders over a period of time. Guys, what I saw was quite fascinating. I'll show you the JPEG merged RGB map projected. I actually downloaded the very high resolution JP2, which I'll show you just now. But for the purposes of this presentation, let's have a quick look at it. And see how guys, let's try and zoom in a bit. And I think this is why NASA calls it Inca City. It's because of these terraces over here. Now, I understand that it's just terminology they're using and that this isn't actually an Inca City ruin, but it's interesting nonetheless that they chose that name. It's going a little bit closer. Okay, there you can see the terraces a bit clearer, and then there was this other anomaly that I saw. It's over here guys. It's in a shape of a cross, and there's some geometry and some symmetry in this, and then those spiders are located over here. So let me show you the JP2 images. Here's the one anomaly I want to show you guys. Here's this S, very thin mound sticking up there with these terraces running down, and some of the terraces over there and over here on the right as well guys. This is very interesting to me, this very thin narrow S that looks very unusual. The next one is this one, yeah, the cross guys, look at that. I don't know how often you find this sort of formation in nature, but this looks highly irregular to me. And there's some symmetry over here guys, look at that. Please excuse the voice, I do have a bit of a frog in the throat. Apologies for that guys. Check there, and this down here. Those two look very similar guys, look at that that symmetry there. And then this mound which runs diagonally there, definitely 90-degree angles here guys, and definitely some symmetry. I don't know if that looks normal to you guys, it looks a little bit unusual to me. And that's what I see guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And then the spiders that they talk about, they came out very, very nicely in this JP2 photograph from the HiRISE. Look at that guys, beautiful. Okay, let's go to the high view. I've opened each of these separately so that we can zoom in independently on them. Guys, let me show you the terraces over here. I don't know how clearly you can see those running down there, but this feature over here is fascinating me. I don't know how natural that is guys. And look at these terraces here, and then to the left there's some more over there. Fascinating that NASA chose to call it the Inca City ruin. The next one is here guys, of that mound. Could this have been some type of monument that's been eroded over time guys? There's also a lot of these very thin narrow oblong, I don't know if you can call them hills or structures. Look at those guys. And then the spiders, the so-called spiders over here. Zoom out a bit. Guys, here you can see them all over. This is on the right of the photograph. And this is why I guess NASA calls it a monitoring site. Look at all these little spiders, guys. Little critters all over the place, eh? Just go to the end. There was another anomaly that I wanted to show you guys. It's going to be better if I zoom out. This too, guys, there's some symmetry in this shape as well. Not a cross, but definitely looks odd as well, guys. These could all be natural, no doubt, but they do look fascinating. And there's another one of those very narrow oblong hills or mounds. There's another one. Okay guys, I thought I'd take you through this. Quite an interesting photo from the HiRISE. Let's go back. I'll include the link to the NASA site for you guys in the video description below. But yeah, there you go, Inca City, monitoring of evolution. Intriguing. I like the name, guys. And just have a look at the high-res full screen images for you guys with smaller screens. There's the Inca City, as NASA calls it. Obviously, well, maybe it is, who knows? But yeah, these could all be natural, but they do look interesting, guys. Look at that. Anyways, that's it for this one. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll try and get back to you soon with another anomaly or two. Also, do take care and be careful with the flu. I believe it's a big problem all over, guys. Keep well, take care, and see you soon. Bye bye for now.